welcome back to the vlog. I've got Hobbes, yay! So, okay, this is a little vlog in between other ones. So 2 this week, which is pretty good. I just basically wanted to follow up from the latest one that I put out. You guys have been pretty amazing, actually. I'm so happy and lucky to have such wonderful followers of this vlog that are kind of just civil and nice. I know that it was a shock to some people. I know that it was a bit of an odd choice. You could tell that I was torn, and I know so many people were like, yeah, we can tell this isn't your bag either. But I did it. I don't have any regrets, but at the same time, I learnt so much from putting out a video not about craft. I learnt how much I love putting out videos about craft. I learnt that if I'm not 100% behind what I'm talking about, it shows. And I also learnt that I need to research and know more about what I'm talking about, because I was aware, definitely aware, that what I was reviewing may not be 100% ethical, and that did really upset me and worry me. But I did make the decision to not discuss it in that video because I just wanted to keep it light-hearted and about the clothes and about how I would sew them. But I also realised that that was, you know, a bit naive of me as well, because the last thing I want to do is promote anything unethical. So I'm actually going to take the video down pretty soon. It's not going to be around for long. I've done my job. I've done what I said I was going to do, which is, you know, do a review vlog for the company, and that's done. And randomly they wrote straight back and said, we love it, can you do another? And I was like, no. So that was quite funny, actually. But yeah, so that's done, tick. So I can just take it down, which is quite good, because yeah, I don't really want it on my channel, actually. I just don't. But I really love how wonderful everyone was about it. I know there was some negative feedback, but it was never like horrible. No one was cruel to me, and I'm really thankful for that, because I was worried I was going to get a bit of that, and I've seen other people get some kind of, you know, stuff thrown back in their face, and you didn't do that, and I'm really just absolutely enamoured by how lovely you all were. So yeah, okay, well that's kind of over. It's not going to happen again either. I'm literally going to stick to things that I've made or I want to make, or, you know, crafty stuff basically. Nothing ready to wear is going to slip its way into this channel again. So, on to other things. The reason why I was going to film a video this weekend is because I have a giveaway! Yay! I'm afraid it's another UK based one. I'm so sorry. I've got to do something more international, and I have got something planned that I've been kind of thinking about for quite a while now, that it's going to be full of all sorts of prizes and presents and surprises. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to get to that later. Maybe next month or the month after. But for now, I've got the Knitting and Stitching Show giveaway, which is really great. I love that they support sewing bloggers and vloggers with ticket giveaways so that we can give you, our wonderful followers, some perks and, you know, presents to say thank you. So I have 5 pairs of tickets for the Knitting and Stitching Show. It is valid every day but Saturday. So Saturday, I'm afraid you can't use the tickets that I'm giving away, but every other day you can. Sorry, Hobbs is jumping down. So that means that you can go any other day but Saturday, basically. And it's running Thursday, Friday, not Saturday, and Sunday. So it's a chance for you and a friend or a family member to go and enjoy all of the amazing things that the Knitting and Stitching Show has to offer. Sorry, that was Hobbs sneezing. It's such a great show. I always make sure that I can go. Not only is the fabric shopping amazing, and the yarn shopping and the shopping, it's so good, but you get to see and meet so many lovely people that maybe you've been talking to online. You get to kind of get involved with things. There's loads of classes and workshops, and it's just for anyone that loves knitting or stitching. You would love this. Yeah, it's brilliant, really good, and I'm gonna definitely be there. Megan and I are gonna go together, I think on the Thursday or maybe the Friday, and we will have some kind of a meet-up as well. Okay, you're back again, are you? Yeah? Okay, Hobbs is back again. So it'll be a chance for us to say hello to everyone, and we will do that at a time and a place that we will let you know about, and we can all, yeah, like show each other what we got, and oh, it's going to be lovely. The meetups we had last year was so wonderful. I even cooked brownies, and on the first day my brownies were like the best I'd ever made, and then I stayed at my mum and dad's house on the next night and cooked exactly the same brownies, but in their oven they were burnt to a crisp. So I'm sorry, day 2. So maybe I should try and up my like cooking skills for this year, or bring something even more exciting. But yeah, I'll definitely bring some goodies for everyone. The knitting and stitching show is on the 1st to the 4th of March. So the 3rd of March is the one day that my tickets don't count for. That's my birthday month, yay! So and all of the details I will put below. I will be picking the winners completely at random, so all you need to do is put in the comment bar, I would like to win the tickets, or something to that effect, so that I know you are entering the giveaway. The deadline is the 29th of January, Monday the 29th of January at midnight. Don't worry if you're a bit late. I'm going to be picking the winners on Tuesday, so that's fine. Oh, so the winners will be sent their tickets as well. I know the last few giveaways I've been doing, I've never found out until the very end how the winners get their tickets, but I know this one, they're going to be sent out. So when I announce the winners, I'll give you my email address and you can send me your address for the tickets. So yeah, I thought I'd better let you know that, because there's been a few confusions with my other giveaways with guest lists and all that stuff. Thank you so much yet again for being the most wonderful, loyal followers and friends a girl could ever have. You guys really mean the world to me. So onwards and upwards to more crafty goodness. I'll see you very soon. Oh, I'll see you next week with a video with Megan. Yay! She's been back yesterday and we sewed up something really quickly, and we've got a short little video for you next week all about it. So we'll see you then. In the meantime, lots and lots of love. Have a great weekend. Take care.